Breaking news. Internet news, radio blog news. Radio blog news. Hello, folks. Across the wire, according to reports, the crew and at least 50 passengers were treated for heat stress when a flight made an emergency landing at the Sydney airport after its undercarriage overheated, reports say. Reports say when it was forced to return to Sydney due to a technical issue with the air conditioning system. Reports say the cabin temperature climbed to almost 40 degrees Celsius on board. Breaking internet news, radio blog news. Flight makes emergency landing. You hear it here first. Internet news, radio blog news.